Here we have our TLF-4410 fuel injectors. They're for the Subarus WRX and the STIs, and they fit the 2006 to 2017. Here we're taking them from 0 RPM all the way to 8,000 RPM to make sure that every single 1,000 RPM is flat matched and flow tested. Here we're showing the 565, which is the stock, and our 850 cc high performance fuel injector. All of our fuel injectors are precise. Every 1,000 cc's, they're flow matched, and they come with the flow sheet. This fuel injector right here, which is the 565 stock. This fuel injector over here is the 850 cc's, which I said is the high performance. They look identical to each other. These are TLF 4410s.